I'm a huge fan of these storage bags because in the past I used to just buy those big plastic bins, but when you're not using them, they take up so much space. So I love that these bags can be folded down. These are 24.5 gallon bags, and the dimensions on this bag are the length is 29 inches. The width is 15 inches and the height is 13 inches. So you can fit a lot in these. You have 2 handles to carry it. You also have a zipper that goes all the way around and down to one side. So that gives you some easier access. And the stitching on this is really good. I haven't had any tearing or issues with it. So let me just put some stuff in it. Now I'm gonna zip it up. So as you can see, it fits a lot. There's definitely room for more. These are a total lifesaver when you're moving because they hold a lot of stuff, and then when you're done, you just fold them up and put them away. So if you've been looking for this kind of a bag and you're honestly just wondering, is it gonna hold up? Is the zipper good? Is the stitching good? Yes, yes, and yes. Give these a try.